in the Rocky Sullivan has issued a
Special Marine warning
for Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 11:30 p.m. At 10:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 18 nautical miles southeast of Wind Point, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.